So this is how you can delete a board from Trello. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Trello. Today you will learn how to delete boards. So let's get started by going to our website or our browser and then typing Trello. Let's go ahead and open our Trello board or the main Trello website, and I'm gonna make a new board. So I'm just gonna title it Hello, and once we wait for it, here, this is our new board. Now, as you can see, it's very empty. And what if I just made it as a mistake or I want to delete it? It's very simple actually. As you can see from the share button, there are three dots right next to it. Tap on that and then scroll down to close board. As you can see, it says you can find and reopen closed boards at the bottom of your boards page. So once you close a board, you can reopen it and restore it. But there is also a way to permanently delete it. So just tap on close and then go to our Trello main page by tapping on this Trello logo or icon, and then scroll down to the very bottom and tap on view all closed boards. As you can see, this is the board that we just closed. Now we're going to want to tap on delete. All lists, cards, and actions will be deleted, and you won't be able to reopen the board. There is no undo. So just simply tap on that, or you can reopen it if you want to, but the main point of this video is to delete it. So let's do that, and there we go. No boards have been closed because every single board that we closed have been deleted. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.